Hello everyone. So let us discuss today about the Republic Day Parade of 2025 and the display of tableau of different states. Clear? In this context, today we are going to discuss about the tableau displayed by the government of Punjab state. Clear? Which became very important culturally. Clear? Many things were displayed in the tableau of Republic Day Parade 2025 from Punjab. Most importantly, this tableau this year was dedicated to Baba Sheikh Farid. Clear? In fact, clear, Baba Sheikh Farid was a leading Sufi saint of medieval times. Clear? He belonged to the Chishti Silsila of Sufism. Clear? The Chishti Silsila was established by Khwaja Moin Uddin Chishti, who came to India during the arrival of Muhammad Ghori or Muhammad bin Sam. Clear? After witnessing the major crisis and conflict at Delhi, this person, that is Moinuddin Chishti, shifted to Ajmer, where he died in 1236. And since then, Ajmer became a very prominent pilgrimage site for Sufi followers all across the world. Okay? Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti was followed by Qutubuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki. Qutubuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki was followed by फरीदुद्दीन गंज शकर और बाबा फरीद. क्लियर? इनको गंज शकर की उपाधि भी दी जाती है इनके पोलाइटनेस के कारण, इनके स्वीट वॉइस के कारण. दिल्ली में कुछ समय तक शिक्षा देने के बाद Baba Farid went to Ajodhan in Punjab, where he became very popular among the Sikh community. Clear? This person was followed by Khwaja Nizamuddin Auliya at Delhi, and the last Sufi saint of Chishti Silsila in Delhi was Nasiruddin Chirag at Delhi, or Lamp of Delhi. Clear? Today we are going to talk about the major saint, that is Khwaja Fariduddin Ganj Shakar, also known as Baba Sheikh Farid. Clear? Apart from Baba Sheikh Farid, what all were depicted in the tableau of Punjab in this year's Republic Day Parade? Clear? Punjab's rich cultural heritage and agrarian legacy was on full display on Republic Day Parade organized at Kartavya Path in Delhi. Clear? This tableau was dedicated to Sufi saint Sheikh Baba Farid, encapsulates the state vibrant tradition from agriculture to the intricate art of Fulkari embroidery. Fulkari embroidery is a native embroidery of Punjab which indicate huge amount of design which are made on the clothes. Clear? This was also on display in the tableau during Republic Day Parade. Clear? Tableau was divided into 4 key segments. Clear? The first segment emphasized on agrarian legacy. जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, Punjab is a pure agrarian country. The agriculture in Punjab is highly developed. Clear? Since the Green Revolution in post-independent era, and it represents Punjab's role in India's agricultural self-sufficiency and the large development of plowed field. Clear? This tableau was divided into folk music also, rather that showcase Punjab's musical heritage. Punjab is also known for vibrant attire and Punjab's musical heritage, which was on display in the tableau. Look into this tableau of Punjab. Sheikh Farid is here. Clear? Fulkarian heritage depicts a Punjabi girl embroideries Fulkari, highlighting the state's artistry and culture. Clear? And finally, the fourth segment is tribute to Baba Sheikh Farid, honors Punjab's first poet and his contributions to Punjabi literature, shows hand-woven duris and Fulkari scenes. All these were on the display in the Republic Day Parade in 2025 at Kartavya Path. Clear? Baba Sheikh Farid was a revered Sufi saint and poet from Punjab. He is also considered to be the first poet of Punjabi language. His literary contributions are found in Punjabi language and spiritual thought. He had a huge Sufism influence, and these works include devotion and humility towards Sufi saints. Clear? For his poetry has been included in Guru Granth Sahib also. Clear? So teachings of Baba Farid became so popular that they were included in the sacred text Guru Granth Sahib. Clear? Guru Granth Sahib was finally written by the 5th Sikh Guru Arjan in 1604. Clear? And since then, Guru Granth Sahib continued to be the sacred text. In fact, after the death of the last and the 10th spiritual Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, Guruship was passed for some time to Adi Granth or Adi Granth. Later on, his spiritual Guruship came to an end, and Sikh community in Punjab largely came under the control of their first political leader, Banda Bahadur, in 18th century. Clear? At the same time, cultural impact. Farid's teachings continue to inspire both spiritual and cultural practices in Punjab and even beyond the region of Punjab. Clear? That indicate the huge cultural legacy of Baba Farid and Chishti sense on diverse Indian culture, and it represents the harmony which was reflected by Sufi and Bhakti sense of medieval India. Most of the Sufi sense wanted to harmonize the relationship between Hindu followers and Islamic followers to create an atmosphere of harmony and tolerance. Clear? So obviously the tableau of Punjab this year depicts many relevant things, and all these things are very important to be remembered to understand the rich cultural heritage of India contributed by Sufi saints, the local artistry like Fulkari, and even the agricultural legacy set by Punjab to be followed in other parts of Indian territory. Clear? This was about the tableau of Punjab in the Republic Day Parade. Thank you. All the best.